volume, aumente o volume.
Essa você só ouve aqui.
DJ Alysom.
Please, story Smurfs, tell us a story. Oh, alright then. This is how it goes.
Are you ready?
Yeah!
For those of you who do not know, it's the Gigolo that's rocking this show. You see, I do fresh shows around the world and chillin' hotels with pretty girls. Walk on red carpets under my feet, and I lay my body down in executive suite. Show it around everywhere that I go, and I'm always stretched out in a stretch limo because I'm cold as ice and no so smooth. But wear leather in the summer and still be cool. You see my rider so deaf that you can't resist. So if you need to buy something, buy this. My mama, yo mama hanging out clothes. My mama sock yo mama in the nose. Did it hurt?
No!
Did it hurt?
No!
Chicken, chicken, no be, no be, no be. All the children going to heaven won't be back till 10 after 11. Are you ready?
Yeah!
Are you ready?
Yeah!
Are you ready?
Please, story Smurfs, tell us a story. Oh, alright then.
I got a 20-room pad like the YMCA. Beverly Hills, California is where I stay. I got a silver Rolls Royce and bodyguards. 2 German Shepherds that patrol the yard. And when you come inside the central AC, you can watch the dirty movies on the cable TV. Check out the room that's so unique with the mirror water bed and the satin sheet. With a kiss from my lips, I can make you strip. I'm gonna love you so fine, make your backbone slip. Like a Kentucky Fried Chicken, I'll do you right. Gonna rock your body to the early light. I'm 6'4", my legs kinda bold. Might rap a little slow, but my name ain't Joe. At Joe request, I can rap a little faster. Sucker MCs, I'm a real grandmaster. Might make you dance, might make you rock, might make you dance, and then I might not 3, not 2. I'm by myself, and if you look, you see, nobody else. Say you sucker MCs who wanna battle me. I'm so bad I body slam Mr. T, cause I'm always on, I'm never off. The captain, the leader, the head and the boss. I'm a little conceited, you can sound my mess, but one thing for sure, my rap is fresh. Are you ready?
Yeah!
I got a girl in the cotton field. She won't, but her sister will. And I got a girl in Alabama. I hit her in the head with a rhyme banana. Hey, 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 it's Fat Rome.
Let's jam, Latin active. Let's jam, Latin active. let's jam, Latin active. Let's jam, Latin active.
When your body gets this feeling and you don't know what it is, got you moving, got you grooving, got you rapping with the feel, and you know that you are grooving cause you feel it in your soul. When the Latin tongue starts flowing cause the power takes control. It's that Latin activity. It's that
Roll the track, step back, and let me activate a lighter sound provided by Jam and James on a flex. Guess what's coming next? A dope rhyme by the DTTX on the mic to engage in a row. Pump the rhyme sound well like a connected flow, just for you and your crew, so you can taste the rhythm from this Latin active race. As it takes control of your body and soul, feel the physical change and you'll be so. You can't stop what starts to take place. Your body starts to groove to the ditty dope bass. That's what happens as you can see. Now let the crew explain the Latin activity.
Latin activity. It's the Latin activity. Teardrop, putting the others in a sickness. A Latin female, dope to get with this. Hype out your track with a lyrical concept. A brown queen known to break it down in one step. So legit, the microphone just passed it right to me, the one just chosen to grasp it. Just drop the mic that you were holding, cause with the lighter shade of brown, it's all rolling. Latina, taking over the microphone and rocking the place with a little bit of soul and treble and bass as I rock hip hop non-stop and make you dance. I have a question. Are you still in a trance? En inglés, en español, como quieran el ritmo. Muevan sus pies y bailen al ritmo. Hacerlos bailar es mi misión y Latin active es la canción. Activity. It's the Latin activity.
I get Latin active when I grab a microphone. Brownies on my tip begging me to come home. I know they want more, screaming for an encore. Fellas getting jealous so they try to ignore the O to the D to the M-I-M. We rock the lyrics and before you know it, bam, we got you dancing to our song with a lot of shit around. Well, hey, it's on once again, my friend, you gotta have the soul. Get on the dance floor, lose control. When I lose control, I get sort of active. My mind starts banging in the form of a Latin. Yo tengo derecho de ser una estrella, porque mis rimas son más diversas. I'm a buen dope latino, mi lenguaje más fino, porque yo soy un latino activo.
It's Latin activity. It's the Latin activity.
the bass mechanic. Bass mechanic. I'm the bass mechanic. The walls are crashing down, but don't you people panic. It's MC ADE, I'm your bass mechanic. Bass mechanic. I'm your bass mechanic. Bass mechanic. I'm your bass mechanic.
Date.
And when you patent, I'll reward you with a milk bone.
That's a ring. I'm intellectual. It's Miller time. By the name of the big Gregory, cause he's money prone.
Name that tune. That's right. Name that tune. Get up, everybody. Name that tune.
Rock the house, yo. Rock the house, yo.
Yeah.
Rock the house, yo. Rock the house, yo.
Yeah. That tune. Play that beat, get down on it. Play that beat, get down on it. Play that beat, get down on it.
everybody was dancing to the beat.
Let's do it. Name that tune. Name that tune if you can. Name that tune if you can. Name that tune if you can.
English, so you know we started illin'. Gregory D was feeling fresh. It was hardy, then the word was heard. Jason was giving a party. The summer camp killer that we couldn't stand. So me, Freddie, and my gang had designed a plan. So we all huddled up. The date was just right. 13th full moon on a Friday night. Check it out. Gregory D. Oh yeah. Gregory D. Oh yeah. Gregory D. Oh yeah. To the party, the ladies started freezing. We were dressed to impress, so you know we started teasing. My gang started dancing. The party was packed. Freddie broke down and bust. Jason walked in disbelief, took off his jacket, broke down and said, Freddie looked at Jason, we were in a trance and said,
JJ, my boy, would you like to dance? Roll my children boogie. Roll my children bop. Roll my children buckshot. Roll my children cabbage patch.
Was a battle to remember in the month of November. Freddie was the ruler in hip-hop defender. Rollins 808 was elevating the beat, and the question was raised, who would root Elm Street? So as the battle commenced, Freddie rocked the spot. He was the victor, Kool chillin', and Jason was not. Jason was defeated and put to shame. Freddie said,
You got the body, but I got the brain.
I'm Gigolo, Tony, the one and only, just like the title they use for Sony. I'm always on it, could never be phony, cause I give it to the young ladies when they want it. I am conceited, have never been defeated, and if it smells good, yeah, I might eat it. There's no one cooler, or no one greater, so you suck a MC. See you later, perpetrators. Now who's gonna rock the show? Somebody please call it down my lamp to take the suckers away, cause all day I'll slay a sucker MC who's standing in my way. I say you sucker MC, you need to say something new, because your rhyme played out with platform shoot. My DJ cuts a record at the flick of a wrist, and my rhymes cause panic like a terrorist. See, I'm often underrated and underestimated, but quote unquote Gigolo said it. See, I do not sing, it ain't about to begin. Michael Jackson, Lionel Richie, lead the singing to them. But when it comes to cutting rhymes, I'm sharp as a nail. Make a sucker break camp like a bat out of hell. I'm on the microphone and he's on the wheel. When my rhymes call chill and it can't sit still. You can rock any party, any given night. Keep it high as a kite, like it just hit the pipe. As far as I'm concerned, this meeting's adjourned, and if you mess with fire, you will get burned. Gigolo, Gigolo, that's rocking this show. See, the rhymes are designed by the mastermind, knowing a dare to compare with the great Einstein. When the beats and the rhyme, they all combine and make a sound that's sweeter than a church bell chime. See, I do not battle, it ain't I'm scared to lose. It's just a fact, homeboy, I got nothing to prove. I'm the Lord of rap, so give me the praise, and I'm the only hell my mother ever raised. I'm the one and only master of a ceremony. If a girl leaves me, she don't get no alimony. Gigolo, rocking this show, that's 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 rocking this show.
it. Roll it up, my nigga. Roll it up. I'm with it. Roll it up, my nigga. Roll it up. I'm with it. Roll it up, my nigga. Roll it up. I'm with it. 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 Roll it up, my nigga. Roll it up. I'm with it. Roll it up, my nigga. Roll it up. I'm with it. Roll it up, my nigga. Roll it up. I'm with it. Roll it up, my nigga. Roll it up. I'm with it. Roll it up, my nigga. Roll it up. I'm with it. Roll it up, my nigga. Roll it up. I'm with it. Roll it up, my nigga. Roll it up. I'm with it. Roll it up, my nigga. Roll it up. I'm with it. Roll it up, my nigga. Roll it up. I'm with it. Roll it up, my nigga. Roll it up. I'm with it. Roll it up, my nigga. Roll it up. I'm with it. Roll it up, my nigga. I'm with it. 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 Roll it up, my nigga. Roll it up. I'm with it. Roll it up, my nigga. Roll it up. I'm with it. Roll it up, my nigga. Roll it up. I'm with it. Roll it up, my nigga. I'm with it. With it.
Alysom.
Aqui você dança pra valer.
DJ Alysom detonando.